Okay, let me share my screen. All right, so first update for today is that there's an update in the formula. This K, this K matrix for plane and analysis. This K inside here previously when the slide that I show you, there are some typo error. So some of it positive I write as a negative, some negative I miss the negative sign. So this is the updated one, and the one that you see in the Moodle is the updated slides. So yeah, so you can use this in your coming assignment. Yeah, and assignment already uploaded in the Moodle. So if you go to Moodle, there's one assignment available on the Moodle. So the due date for the assignment will be next week, Friday. So the assignment number 2 will be due next week, Friday. Okay, so just take note, one announcement for the PowerPoint slide or lecture slides. I already uploaded new slides, and this is the correct version of the K matrix for the beam and for the rigid plane frame. For the rigid plane frame. So just take note. Yeah. So all these are already updated. And previously we looked at this sample. So today I want to introduce you one new tools, which is if you open up your Google, you go and Google matrix calculator. All right, you go and Google matrix calculator, and then you select the first one, matrix calculator, this one. Okay. All right. So you can use this online matrix calculator to help you to calculate the answer for your either your exam or coming assignment, especially your coming assignment number 2. You can use these tools to help you. However, you have to still have to write the answer out lah. Okay. So by the end of this lesson or today lecture, if you have any question, we'll go through some briefing about the assignment. Yeah. So for this recording, we will focus on lecture. Okay, so have you guys opened up the this website on your computer?
Just a second.
Fly, are you ready for? Have you Google? Have you find this matrix calculator?
Yeah, no fun.
So now you already see this page already on your screen. Okay, Katana, are you ready? Katana, let me know when you're ready. We will use this example to show you the application of the online matrix calculator. So Katana, are you ready?
Not yet. I lost my connection. I'm now connecting back.
Where are you now? You are using a campus Wi-Fi or what?
Nope. I didn't get to school today.
Okay. So your Wi-Fi your Wi-Fi are you still able to connect? You are using hotspot, is it?
Yes. Yes, I got the website now.
All right. So you see this page, huh? You see this page, correct? So I will minimize this page, right? And I put side by side with my screen here. So all right. So I will demo one time so that at least you know what are all these button about. So if you look at this example, if you look at these PowerPoint slides here, so in this tutorial, after you develop the equation F equal to KD for beam, and then you need to use the inverse matrix for this displacement, correct? So the force is on the left hand side, and then the stiffness matrix will define from the K matrix that I showed you just now. And then you need to find the displacement for this 6 value here. So how do you find the displacement? You need to move this whole matrix to the left. Means that you need to do inverse matrix for this one, and then you times this matrix, correct? Understand?
Yes.
Yeah, Lai, you understand? We need to do inverse matrix. Understand, yeah? Okay, now we want to input this matrix, this K matrix into the online portal. Okay, so I'm going to open up this matrix. So we have a 6 times 6 matrix. So on the website, you are seeing 3 times 3. So we need to increase the size of this matrix A. So how do we increase? There's a plus and minus button. So you just press another 3 times. So you'll see the 6 bracket or 6 space here, meaning you are getting the 6 matrix. Then after that, I'm going to key in all this value into this here. So if you leave it blank, it means it's automatic recognized as 0 in the blank here. So I will key in the first row, and I hope you can follow so that you can see the same results. So the first value is 10.167. 10.167. Second one is 0. The third row is 10. The fourth one is minus 10. Then the rest is 0. Okay. So the first column is like this. The second column, I continue to copy 0, 10.0835, 5, 0, minus 0.0835, and 5. Okay, I hope you can follow the second column. And then I type in the third column, 10, 5, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 5, and 200. And then I continue the fourth row. I key in minus 10, 0, 0, 10.167, 0, 10. The fifth row, okay, maybe I put my calculator below. Right, yeah, so this one a bit clearer. So I put 0, minus 0.0835, minus 5, 0, 10.0835 minus 5. Then I complete the last column. 0, 5, 100, 10, minus 5, and 1200. Okay, I'll give you like 1 more minute to fill in the matrix A. Let me know once you complete. Okay, Lai, where are you now?
Still key.
Okay. Kadana, have you completed?
Yes, just confirming now.
The value, right? Okay. Lai, you need to speed up a little bit. Oh, sorry, there's a typo error. The last one should be positive 1200. Okay, you're allowed to use these online tools in your coming assignment, means assignment number 2 and also your final exam. All right, you are allowed to use these tools to help you. However, you need to copy the calculated answer in this online website into your answer sheet. Yeah. Because for this module, we are not testing you on the mathematics skill, but on the concept to solve this beam analysis. Yeah. Lai, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Katana, you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. So on your screen there, you are keying the matrix of this one. However, remember that this matrix, you have a constant outside the matrix, with is 250000, correct? Then what you do is that you go to your website here. There is a multiply by something. There's a multiply by something, and then you need to change this number. So put in 25000040, 25 and then 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Then after that, you press multiply by. You press this button, something going to happen under the website here. Press multiply. Are you seeing this one on your screen?
Yes.
Yes, huh? All right. Lai, you seeing this one? Are you seeing these numbers
Yes.
come out on your screen? Yeah. Okay. Next, we're going to find. We want to ask the computer to find the matrix of the inverse matrix of this one. So what you do, you import this answer in back to matrix 1, right? You pull this answer back to matrix 1. How you do it? There is a button behind this answer. So you can insert this answer either the matrix A or matrix B. We want to use matrix A. So you click insert in A. So you press this one, this answer will go into matrix A. Press insert A. So you see the answer, you go into matrix A. Are you seeing the same thing on your screen? Let me know if not able to follow, yeah? Have you done? Insert the answer into matrix A?
Yeah, but it's not, I only have like one column and 3 rows.
No, just now, do you press the multiply 2500? Do you press the same thing? Do you seeing this column? Do you see this one?
Yes.
Yeah. So you see this one, right? So you press insert in A. Press this one. Then you will come out like what you see on the screen. Lai, do you get the same results?
Yes.
Okay, Katana, what about your side?
Not yet, sir. How about I insert it in B and check?
Yeah, you can insert in B and then try.
Oh, it still comes the same thing.
Okay. All right.
I said no. Sorry.
Do you key in the correct? Are you seeing this answer or not? Do you see this column? Are you keying the correct 6 times 6 number? Just now.
Let me just send WhatsApp to see. When I insert, it doesn't come the full matrix.
Okay. Do you mind share your screen?
I check. I put in WhatsApp, but then I have to connect on. I'm connecting Teams in my laptop. Then I'll share the screen.
You are using your phone, is it?
Yes, phone for connection and laptop for.
So you are using
connecting.
a laptop and you're accessing to website of this matrix website, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
But I'm connecting.
oh, okay. Means the theme is on your phone, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So you are seeing this. You're not seeing this one on the website.
No, this one, the matrix, the result I can see. I just sent on WhatsApp a
Yeah.
picture.
You share the screen on the website, and then I see what how can I help you. Yeah, you take one photo and then you upload into the WhatsApp. Then
I already sent a photo in WhatsApp.
okay, hold on, yeah. You send in the group or you
In group.
okay. Oh, okay. You press the clean button. You press the clean button for matrix A and matrix B. Under there's a clean button, right? Do you see there's a clean
Okay. Yes.
cell clean button? Press the clean button for matrix A and matrix B.
Okay.
Okay. Now you press you increase the size of the matrix. Both for
Or to
matrix A,
6.
you increase to 6. Yes, correct. After that, after you have the
Yeah.
6 box, Then you go to the answer there, you go and press the insert A. Insert in A. You should able to see the
Insert.
Yeah, insert in A. This one. You go to the answer just now. Below there, below the website there, there is an answer just now, right? You take the 2500 times the matrix, you get the answer. So behind the answer, there is an insert in A button. So after you increase the size of the matrix above, you press insert in A. Do you see the answer?
Yes, it's working now.
Okay, good. All right. So the next one, we want to ask the computer to find the back to the screen here. Huh? So we want to find the computer to find the inverse matrix for us, because later we will take this inverse times the force in the question. So what we do, we ask the computer to find inverse for us. So press find inverse. Find inverse. The second row of inverse will come out in the below the website there. Do you see the same thing? Lai, do you see the same thing? Lai, do you see the same thing?
Yes.
Okay, Katana, how about you? Are you seeing the same thing?
Mine is in fractions, not decimal.
Yeah. Some of it will be in fraction, but you are pressing the find the inverse, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So make sure you're seeing the almost the same thing. You press find inverse, you'll see your answer come out here. Okay. All right. Now the next thing is that we want to use this. We want to find. You already have the inverse, so we want to import this inverse answer back to matrix A. So what you do, you press the insert in A again. Press insert in A, you'll see fraction number, but actually it's a same number. For example, the first box will be 0.00001 to 211. If you take the fraction number, you use calculator to calculate, you will have the same number. Okay. All right. Then we back to the slides. We back to the slides here. So in the PowerPoint slides, you need to find the inverse matrix times this answer. So you need to key in matrix B. You have a 6 row and 1 column. So you will create a 6 times 6 matrix, and then you fill in 10,000 the first box and the 5,000 the last box. Okay, so how does it happen? So you go to the matrix B here, you increase to, oops, oh, what did I? Okay, so you go down to here. So I will just increase the button. So I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So make sure you are increasing the size. You set the correct size from the matrix. And if you do not fill in anything, it will assume as 0. So if you look at the PowerPoint slides, your forces here is 10,000 and 5,000. So what you fill in the first box, 10,000, the last box is 5,000. So I go back to the website, put in 10,000, and then 0, 0, 0, 0, and 5,000. Okay, so we have matrix A and matrix B. Matrix A is your inverse matrix. Matrix B is your force. So we need to find the product between matrix A and matrix B. Are you able to follow Lai and Katana? Lai, you
Come again
okay?
on the matrix B.
Okay, you key in the matrix B. You need to increase the size 6 to 6. 6 times 6, you need to increase to 6 matrix, 6 matrix, 6 times 6 matrix. And then key in 10,000, the first box, then the last one is 5,000. Lai, okay?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Katana, when you're ready, let me know.
Yes.
Ready, yeah? All right, so we have the inverse matrix and the force. So we want to find the product of these two. So what you do, there is a button at the top of the page here on the right hand side of your page there. There is a multiplication, there is a addition, there is a subtraction. So we need to use the multiplication products. So what you do, you press A plus B. Press this button. The answer will come out below the screen here. So are you seeing the answer equal to 0.211, 0.00148 minus 0.00152, 0.209, and so on? Are you seeing this one? Like, are you able to follow?
My one come in fraction.
Yeah, fraction. Okay, fraction. Okay, there's a button here. Do you see the button here on my screen here? Display decimal number or significant digit. So check that this one. Make sure this one you check. Okay, you check, then you will see the answer in the 3 decimal place there.
Where is that?
There's one button here, display decimals, just below the matrix B or just above the answer. Do you see this button? There's a display decimal, this one. Katana, you did press A plus B already lah. A times B matrix. You did press this button already.
Yes, I have the answer in very big fractions. I can't find the decimal button.
All right. But do you see these 3 components in your computer on your screen? Do you see this one times this one equal to this one? You are seeing fraction on this side, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what you do, if you see fraction, you okay. That is new to me. So what you do, let's try and you try to copy this one. Copy. There's a 3 line there. What you do is you copy, and then you press the copy, and then you open up your Microsoft Word. You open up your Word.
Okay, I got the decimals. It was
Yeah. So you will be seeing this one just now. All right. You're seeing the fraction of the first answer. So you can press in the Microsoft Word and then use your calculator to calculate the final value if you're not able to see decimal. All right. So the first answer for the answer for this question is that you have 6 answers here: 0.211, 0.00148, and C is 1. Both of you seeing this answer right now? Katana, are you seeing this one?
yes, I've got the answer.
Okay, Lai, are you seeing this one? Still no. You're still seeing fraction.
Oh, yeah.
So what you do, you go to the down below there. There's a 3 line there. You left click and then you copy. You copy this one, and then you open your Microsoft Word and you paste in the Microsoft document. Then you try to calculate with your calculator. So this one, if you take the first one, you use your calculator. Let me check. 4, 7, 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, 6, 913 divided by 22469 0.968 you'll get around 0.02106. It is near to this number. Okay. I pressed the wrong one. Yeah, but anyway, this is how you get the answer. So if you compare this 6 number to the example that we go through, so let me put side by side my answer. Okay, so if I minimize my screen, you see that if I put side by side, the first U2 will be 0.221, V2 will be 0.00148, rotation 2 will be minus 0.00153, but in here, because it's very close lah, right? So if you're in the exam, if your computer showing 152 and you copy 152, I will still give you correct answer. Huh? So then U3 0.209, you see 0.209, and then V3 will be minus 0.00148. Rotation will be 0.00149 or 148 radian. The unit is different. Yeah. So with this, I end the recording for using this portal. Right. So this is how you use the online tools to help you to solve the question. Let me stop recording.